Hey, what's up guys? It's Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sartuccia here, and I've got a small unboxing video, but it's still unboxing video. So yeah, let's check this out.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Actually, before we do that, I want to remind everybody about the drawing that we've got for the rods. There's still the $20 drawing and the $30 drawing. Each of them have sold about 35 tickets a piece, and we're going to 70. So let's try to knock that out so we can get that done pretty much around the same time that they'll let us come out and, you know, attend the drawing or whatever, because that is something that either way I'll wait for. If we get the tickets sold out, I'll wait till everybody can come out and join us, because I definitely don't feel right either way, and I'd like to see everybody's faces come out to the shop. But the other thing I wanted to remind you too is don't forget the subscriber giveaway. We're still doing that. That video still counts, and we got a few more days. So I think I said for the 14th or something like that. So you got a few more days to get as many people as you can subscribe to the channel, and make sure to tell them that they got to have their subscription, you know, checked off and made public, because I get notified when my subscribers subscribe to the channel. So I'll be able to go back and verify that they are subscribed to the channel, because if they don't have it made public, then I won't be able to know. And that was something that we ran into the last time. So I want to make sure to reiterate it. I kind of forgot about it, but I thought about it the other day. So yeah, just wanted to remind you guys, make sure they tell them to make it public. If you already subscribed, you should already be watching this video anyways. And all right, let's get back to that unboxing real quick.
I was watching the videos earlier, a lot of it worked.
Let's see. Yep, got some Avid reels in house. Oh yes, that's the orange plate for the 80 T-Rex that was shipped out, and they needed his approval, so he can come back and get his back plate for his blue T-Rex 80. So that's pretty sweet. It's going to match his blue and orange rod. Maybe I can have him bring the whole setup so we can check that out. There's that, and then we've got the reel. And yes, it's a small order for this one, but it's still an order. What do we got here? Ooh, the Gen 2 Neptune's Heart. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. I don't know about y'all. I don't care how many times I hear a chichara go off, I'm always wanting to know where it's coming from. Is it my reel? Is it not? Beautiful. Look at that. So yes, they are still shipping, but I also want to remind you that they are going through the lockdown over there. So whatever reels they do have prefabbed already are shipping, but if they have to assemble them, they're not getting shipped out until their assembly personnel come back to work. Obviously, you know, they're trying to watch out for their safety as well. So, all right guys, hope y'all enjoyed it.